Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. This is Noah, your local library assistant here, to show you an awesome tutorial we have planned. So, next week for our story times, we're going to be using shaker eggs. So we thought it'd be so much fun to show you guys how to make your own shaker egg at home. I'll list off some of the supplies that you guys might be able to find around your house. First, we've got an old peanut butter jar, a spice container, a Tupperware container. These might look familiar. A plastic egg. I know of a recent holiday you guys might have had some of these for. And then lastly, we've got some rice. The rice is going to be used as our shaker inside whatever container you choose. But if you don't have rice at home, you can always use some dried beans or something similar to give you that shaking effect. Alrighty, so now that you've got your supplies all ready, we're going to show you how to make your own shaker. So I'm going to take this plastic egg here. This one's empty. I really like the pink color. Isn't it so pretty? Ooh, ah. So you open up your egg like this, and then you take a spoonful of rice. Do. And it's okay if you spill a little. I'm always super messy. And here's one more spoonful. Yeah, we'll do a third. Why not? We want it to be extra shaky. Okay, so once you've got your rice in there, you just close it up like this, snap, snap, and voila! You've got your shaker! Shaky, 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 shaky. I'm so silly. All right, so we used the egg. Now I'll show you how to use a Tupperware container. Alrighty, so this cute little Tupperware, you take the lid off just like this. You're gonna hear a pop. And now that it's open, I'm gonna put in our rice. Ooh, so satisfying. Ooh, messy. We'll put in a little bit more, just to make it extra shaky. All right, that should be good. All right, once you've got your rice in there, close up the container like this, and you've got your shaker! Awesome! Well, that's been our tutorial today on how to make your own shaker at home, so you can use it for our next week's story time. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and have an awesome day. We'll see you next week on Storytime to do a little shake, shake, shake. Ah!